Twist a two-finger double bubble. Twist a two-finger single bubble and a five-finger ring bubble. Twist a two-finger single bubble and a two-finger double pinch twist. Make a four-finger single bubble and wrap it around the knot of the first two-finger double bubble. Twist a two-finger single bubble and a five-finger ring bubble. Twist a two-finger single bubble and wrap it around the double pinch twist. Gently shape the dragonfly. The little dragonfly is complete.